So I was recommended by this guy to play Ouchy Bird. Now, I'd already played Flappy Bird for an episode, and I figured he liked my video. I figured, yeah, sure, I'll do it for you, man. I downloaded Ouchy Bird. It's not that big of a game. It didn't take that much space, and I was feeling pretty confident. I have no idea what I got myself into. So this game is pretty much a game where you've got birds falling from the sky, and you have to change the direction of the windmill to make sure that the birds can get safely to the ground. It's impossible. You have to have perfect timing, or all the birds are going to die. You see, and the yellow ones tend to fall a little faster than the geese do, the babies. So it's a lot more challenging if you've got different times. You have to make sure that they don't hit the windmill, and it's literally impossible. What feels impossible. It's not impossible, but it feels impossible. Also, sorry about the audio quality on my videos. I can't afford a really expensive mic right now. That's the first bird that size that I've gotten to the ground. Dang it. Alright, I don't have the money to get a really good mic. So I can't really have a mic at all. My phone's doing all my audio recording for me. So if I move a little bit, it totally throws all the audio out of whack. I'm really sorry about that, but I'm doing my best. So we've got a goose now, and we've got another baby. Now we've got the giant turkey. Screw my life. I can't anymore. Why? Alright, 3, 4. No. I don't know why. Why is this game so difficult? Switching directions of a windmill. 4, 5. How? I was right there. I swear I was so close to getting it to the ground, and I just barely tapped its head. 4, 5.
Here's the puzzle.
These turkeys are huge, and they're almost impossible to get to the ground. Alright, so we've got 2, 3, we've gotten 3 to the ground. 4, just one more. 5. I hate my life. I hate my life. Why? 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 This is worse than Flappy Bird. This is... I am not raging right now. I'm going insane. I'm going mentally insane. I mean, it's fun and it's challenging, but it's impossible. I recommend it for people who want a challenge, but I mean, it's literally impossible. First one. Second one. Screw my life. I can't do this anymore. I hate my life. One. One. Two. It barely even touched the bird. I hate my life. Alright. Ooh, I hit him 3 times with windmill that time. 2. 3. 4. 5. Giant turkey. Yes. Yes. 7. 8. 9. 10. I did it. I did it, everyone. Oh my gosh, I did it. Finally. I finally have done it. I have beat Ouchy bird. I hate my life. I hate my life. I hate my life. Well, that was the first episode of Ouchy Bird. And possibly the last. Why don't you guys decide? Make sure to smash that like button, punch the subscribe button, hit it in the nose, the jaw, whatever you got to do. Just violence against the subscribe button. Just spam it. And then make sure to hit that notification bell to be reminded every time I upload. I will be responding to comments because I have nothing else to do because my life sucks. And make sure to share and comment. Bye, guys.